Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use and edit the templates in your WPS Office spreadsheet. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So first of all, open your WPS Office and just click on the sheet. So here you can find education, finance, planner, marketing, HR and supply chain. These are the category of templates that the WPS Office has been provided. So to download if you just move the cursor on the template, it automatically says to download. You can download it. First of all, you just need internet connection, and the second of all, you just want to log in into your account. So click on the download option, which actually starts to download from the internet. You just need to log in into your account to download those templates. So after downloading the templates, you can just tap here and you can easily edit it. You can see there is a category of Feb, March, April, May. So you can easily enter your data and customize everything here. So for an example, I just going to make it here like a Q, or you can see this icon. So it says you can see represented the attendance as 1 and 0. So the absent will be 0 and the represented attendance will be 1. So you can just type whatever that you want. So this is how you can just use many templates. You just want to click on just go to the template that you want. Just click on the download option and it automatically download it fastly, and you can just use this. So I think this is how you just use the template, and you can just edit it and you can just change everything. You can just type whatever the things that should be here, and you can just edit everything like your own. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.